Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add sketch border in Excel chart. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have data, and here you can see in this column chart I add the sketch border. So let's see how it's done. So here first I'm going to create the column chart. Simply select the data and go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the column chart. In 2D column, select the first option, and you can see the column chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. You can just drag the corner point and increase the size of the charts. Okay. So first I'm going to add the sketch border on the plot area. This is a plot area. When you click on it, this is the selected plot area. First I add here the normal border color. So right click on this plot area and click on the outline option. Okay. In outline, I select the one color here. Okay, I select this one. Okay, after that, again click on the outline and select the sketch option. Okay, sketch border. So I select this one. See the changes over here. When I click here, the sketch border. Now I'm going to increase the thickness of sketch border. Simply right click again, plot area only. Okay, click on the outline and click on the width. Okay, so here you can increase the thickness of sketch border. See the changes over. The thickness also increased. Okay. Same as for chart area border, right click on it and click on the outline, same as add the color of border. Then right click again, click on the outline, click on the sketch and select the sketch border those you want. To increase the thickness, same as right click on the mouse, click on the outline and in thickness, width, you can increase here the thickness. See the changes over. So this is the way you can easily add the sketch border in Excel chart. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.